Kendrick, what's Undi Malaysia to you?
Basically, Undi Malaysia to me is a very good platform for youth to get together and move together as one body to empower other youths and to change the way youths think about Malaysia and to change society together.
Undi Malaysia to me is understanding the issues. I think that way too many voters are voting for personalities and parties. That's even worse than the personality, I think. But at the end of the day, 4 years later, they complain, why is my road still like that? Why is the school still like that? Why is my job still like that? Well, because you didn't understand the issues. And I think that Undi Malaysia seeks to bring understanding of 3 important issues. And I think that this is something that all Malaysians should be doing. But the reason why I do Undi Malaysia is because Undi Malaysia is fun.
Okay, so what's Undi Malaysia to you?
Undi Malaysia to me is basically about identifying the way into issues-based politics as opposed to all the nonsense that we have right now. So for me, that's what's most important in Malaysia.
To get more youth to work, take some actions on it.
What are some of these important issues that you're trying to highlight?
Civil and political rights, social and economic rights. So like what 3 main important issues that Undi Malaysia is focusing on this year is housing and food and housing. Letting the citizens understand the budget as well as education. So yeah, I think these are very basic fundamental things that affect everyone, but not many people realize how important it is to them or how it can affect their everyday lives.
What issue do you feel most strongly about?
Education, food and housing.
Yeah, how is it different from what the other NGOs or activities you already see on the ground?
Basically, Undi Malaysia, it tackles different issues every year, and to me this is very important because issues change all the time, and every year we have a specific issue for us to tackle, and it gives us support, information, and everything we need to help empower youths around us.
Okay. What are those important issues?
What was it that we were saying? Housing, employment, education.
Can you give us a few examples of things that need to be changed?
The mindset and the education system. I'm not saying that there's something fundamentally wrong with the current education system, but I think it could be better. And the scope of education should cover wider areas as compared to now.
And how is this going to happen on the ground? I mean, in reality, how are you going to bring this message to people?
Because like it affects everyone. Even if we say, oh, we have a roof over our head with like rising cost of living, things like that, but people don't understand it. And like the budget, it comes out every year, but no one actually understands what's going on. So it's about going down and engaging with the youth and the people and bringing it to their level so they can understand, they can engage with what's going on in like current affairs.
What kind of issues are we looking at now?
Basically, we're looking like for these 3 years we have 3 issues. We have social issues, housing and food, and one issue regarding education. These are 3 main issues we are tackling this year.
So what does Undi Malaysia mean to you?
In one word, it means change for the better. And I decided to be involved in Undi Malaysia because I think we need lots of changes in this country. Because I consider myself to be still young, and I'd rather to live in a better country rather than compared to the current state of affairs. It's housing, education, and employment.
Okay, thanks. So when Undi Malaysia identifies these issues, how do they translate it to making change happen?
Basically to the people's voice, not votes per se, but the people's voice, because when people are more empowered with the knowledge on how we can actually attain or obtain change, and our voice will be heard, like collective voice. So if like out of a million people, 80% of the million people who are for a better education system, then I bet the government, mostly responsible for the education system, will actually hear. The Voice. Yeah.
Okay, so when you say you're going to deal with these issues, give me an example of something tangible on the ground. Like how are you going to deal with it? Is it flyers, talks?
Basically, for me, what I think is very important is education. Many youths nowadays, they don't know what actually is happening around, and Undi Malaysia is a platform where we teach these youth in very, very simple and layman terms, and to instill awareness in them. And from there, we will take action together. And from Undi Malaysia, we have a project, upcoming project in the Pulangan project, which we will test our actions there.
Isn't it?
Okay, now can you show us your six-pack?
Get out.
How old are you this year?
I'm 18 this year.